Hello everyone, I'm Paul Hakes, CEO of Hudson Yachts, and James Hakes here, designer of the HH44, this fabulous boat we're sitting on now. This video is a response video to a video that the Wynns, Gone with the Wynns, published on Sunday, and to tell our clients a little bit about what's going on. So yeah, we really feel terrible for the position we put the Wynns in. Their boat has not been right. We don't deserve to call that boat the best boat in the world. We're going to make it damn right. I mean, our investment is huge in this production line and this design, and our investment in the Wynns has been as our ambassadors. Has been huge too, and so with so much invested, we have to get it right.
All companies are going to have problems, and what matters is how we deal with them. And we designed this boat from the ground up. It was very different from day one. Yeah, we've had issues that we've had to address.
As James says, when you're trying to change the market with a cutting edge boat, you end up with some issues. It's about getting those issues sorted out and how a company reacts and stands behind its clients to get those issues fixed.
Yeah, and HH, we're not the biggest company in the world. It's a family-owned company, and when we started working with the Wynns, it was quite an intimate relationship. We got to know them. They spent a lot of time here. Their project manager, Molly, and our designers and our construction manager, Mr. Wu, we spent countless hours with them. We went out to dinners with them. I consider them friends. We had some good times, and so it is really heartbreaking to know that now they're not on their boat. And so as to some of the specific issues that the Wynns have been experiencing, probably the hardest one to diagnose for us has been the stray current, which took a while, but we did it. We know what it is, and it was just turned out to be water pumps, coolant water pumps that were not grounded correctly. And so we have redesigned the system, isolated them, and the boat we're sitting on right now, operating with the aircon on as we speak, does not have this issue.
No, there's no stray current on this boat. Yeah, furthermore, we understand now that we've got to go back, and the first 4 boats, we've got to do a little bit of retro work. It's not a big deal to fix, but we're extending the warranty on those boats to those clients for another 2 years. Anything related to the stray current and beyond, probably 2 years and beyond for anything related to the stray current, be it metallic, wiring issues. Yeah, we'll stand behind. The other issue they had was the overcharging start batteries.
That was us trying to integrate this new hybrid system into our existing electrical systems and trying to do too much with a start battery, and it didn't work, and we had to backpedal on that. And so we've already fixed this on their boat, and all the boats that are already out there, the start batteries are working perfectly fine now.
Right. So the other big issues that we've been dealing with are the solar and their fridge.
Yeah, and I mean, we agree with them that the solar panels are not up to par, and we agreed months ago with them that we would replace all the solar panels at our cost.
Right.
The panels on this boat we're sitting on right now are our new panels that we source, that we've been testing thoroughly for years and comparing. I mean, it's a continuous process. Solar's always being developed, new stuff's always coming out, and we're always testing it. So we think what we've got now is better, and we're going to give it to them.
With the fridge, I mean, this third-party equipment, we've had quite a few issues with the supplier, but there was a bad wiring. We put that right, but what else can we do?
We are going to pull the fridge out, improve the ventilation. We believe that is a contributing source to some of the issues that they're having, and we plan to do that at the next available opportunity.
Yep. So as we move forward as a company on a positive note, yes, we're going to get the Wynns boat fixed, as we do with all our boats. We stand behind all our clients, always have. We don't hide behind third parties, agents. We deal directly with the issues and directly with the clients.
Yeah, we want our boats to be the best in the world, and it is heartbreaking when things don't go that way. But we have every intention of making this right for the Wynns and for every boat that we build, all our customers that are waiting for boats.
Be rest assured, your boat won't have these issues. We know what they are, we've dealt with them. You're going to get a great boat. So thank you everyone for taken time to listen to us, and yeah, we'll talk soon.